So, Josh nous a fait une petite chanson pour nous, alors écoutez bien, c'est la chanson de Stay With Me remixée avec Josh.
Go back to Paris. Just marry me and burger and cook us good food. Oh yes, just stay in Australia. Won't you stay with me and Burger? Cook us good food. Stay with us. You don't have to go to Paris, yeah. Just marry me and Burger and stay in Australia.
Thank you so much for this dedicace.